If you're choosing between the Asus Zenbook A14 and the Microsoft Surface Laptop 7, this is a classic value versus premium battle. Both are part of the new Copilot Plus PC wave, but they focus on very different priorities. So which one is actually better? Let's break it down. The Zenbook A14 is all about portability and value. It's incredibly light at under 1 kilogram, making it one of the easiest laptops to carry around daily. You also get an OLED display, which is a big advantage. Colors are more vibrant and blacks are deeper compared to most LCD panels. Battery life is excellent thanks to the Snapdragon chip. And for the price, it delivers a lot. The downside is that build quality, while good, isn't as premium and performance is slightly less consistent under heavy workloads. The Surface Laptop 7 is a premium option. It has one of the best laptop builds on the market, with a clean aluminum design, excellent keyboard, and a very polished overall experience. Performance is also more stable, especially on higher-end Snapdragon X Elite models, making it better for heavier multitasking and professional work. However, it uses an LCD display instead of OLED, and it costs significantly more. So which one is better? If you want the best value, ultralight design, and an OLED screen, go for the Zenbook A14. It's a smarter choice for most people. If you want premium build quality, better sustained performance, and a more refined experience, the Surface Laptop 7 is a better high-end option. Bottom line, Zenbook A14 wins for portability and value, while Surface Laptop 7 wins for premium feel and performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.